That's pretty good. Cool. To be honest, I'm not even sure I'm going to spend the night, but I do want to have a fire, and this seems like a great spot to do that. Fire starter, receipts and paper and cardboard. You guys seen this before. I just split my wood in the bag, and I use this Fisker's ISO Core Pro. It's a little hand splitter maul thingy, and it works great. It doesn't require a lot of force and pretty easy to take care of that. Beauty. Oh, that's great. Okay, this is where I get a bit pyro. I'm gonna get rid of this cardboard box in there, so it's gonna be a bit of a... What? I like big fires. It's nice and warm too. Already starting to burn my wood here on the side. There we go. Stick that in there. There we go. There we go. Somewhere in here, I've got something. There we go. Hot dogs again. So I know I did this in my last video, or it feels like I did, but we're doing it again. So I don't have much to go on this. I'm gonna put mustard and some blue cheese on there. Interesting combination, but it's all I got, so let's see. There we go. The combination of the mustard and the cheese, it works. I don't know. I mean, it's nothing fancy. It's not like super exploding taste in your mouth, but it's pretty good. Anyway, tomorrow's Thanksgiving. I'm going to be joining the family and all that in Victoria, and then doing the whole Christmas thing with those guys. And I definitely appreciate that. Just they're all kind of busy today doing their own thing, and I figured, well, I might as well come out here, do a fire. I'm trying to be brave and go for a walk up to this waterfall and do a cold dip in it as well, just to say that I did. But it's sun's starting to go down, it's starting to feel colder out. It's going to be a bit of a mission doing that, but nice to have the fire anyway. All the campers. And nice to have a hot dog too. Time for a little water time now. I might even be able to kind of sneak up through here. There's some campsites right up there, but I think I'll go this way. I've been on this trail before with Kylan. Actually, she introduced me to this spot several days ago. It's a cool forest, really beautiful, some amazing big trees, and yeah, it's got a real kind of mossy, beautiful West Coast vibe to it. At the back of this place, there's a little waterfall with a pool, and I was thinking I'd go up there and try and take a dip in the water. I feel like a chicken sometimes when it comes to this kind of thing, because it's really cold. I don't know what the temperature is up here. We're going to check, but it's going to be much colder than the ocean, which I was in just a little while ago, and that was pretty darn cold as well. But it was warmer than Jay's lake, which was when I went up and visited my friend Jay. We went for a little cold dip in the lake, and that was really cold too. That was 6.8 degrees. Anyway, being in the water at that temperature is like a super icy feeling. It's really quite something. Anyway, if I'm brave enough today, I'll jump in to this creek. Oh. Yeah, it looks good and cold. Pretty cool spot, eh? Woo. This is the idea. There is someone coming in behind me. Alright. First thing I'm going to do is throw my dive watch in here and see what the temperature is. Oh yeah. I'm glad I did this though. Super beautiful spot. I'd definitely come back and do that again. That was really good. I've been wanting to get there ever since I saw those falls the other day with Kylan, and the young lady that hopped in the pool there. I wasn't expecting that, but she was hiking down behind me and she had the same idea. So kudos to her. She's like probably, I don't know, 17 or 18 or something like that. She went down that trail, so I took a different way back, not to make her feel uncomfortable, because she was a little bit ahead of me and I didn't, anyway, heading back to the van. I don't know if I'm going to camp here tonight, but I just wanted to wish all of you guys a Merry Christmas out there and a Happy New Year. I do have some pretty cool news, but there's more to say about it than what I want to share in this video. But I've got tickets to go to Bali. This was a present from my friend Lonnie, and I love him to bits for it. He knew how much this visit meant to me, and he wanted to help out in that way. Lonnie's done a lot for me over the years too. He's helped me move towards different dreams and goals and that sort of thing, with the odd little financial help, if you will, that kind of thing. In this case, he's squared away the trip cost for me to go over there. So that's great, and I'm excited to go. There's been a lot of running around I've been doing the last couple weeks, just trying to prepare and get all these things in a row to go there. There's been a lot of hoops to jump through, and a lot of it's all new for me, so I kind of have to educate myself through the process and do what I need to do. So at this point, I'm waiting for my visa application to come through. Fingers crossed. That was a lot more work than I thought it would be. Had I just planned this trip to be 30 days, it would have been really easy, because I would have just got off the plane over there and got a 30-day visa on arrival. But because I booked the trip for 2 months, which I can change, but 2 months is what it's set for right now, I could do two things. I could get a visa on arrival and then extend it, but I still need to have an outbound flight after 30 days to another country, ideally staying there for a night and then flying back in the next day to get the additional 30 days put onto the visa stay. The one I did was 60 days all in one, but you have to submit a whole bunch of extra documentation and stuff, and that's what was troubling, and the application process for it wasn't exactly smooth. Okay, that was a big rant. But I'm going to Bali, guys. That's going to be on January 9th. So it's very, very, very soon. There's not going to be a whole lot that I'm going to do between now and then, but just kind of get things organized. Anyway, that's it. I hope you are all poised to have a good Christmas wherever you are. And thanks so much for watching. And yeah, I don't know if I got more to this. I'll shoot some B-roll or whatever, but I'm going to head back down to the van and probably drive to my cousin's place tonight. So, I'll see you guys later on. Take care. All right, home sweet home. Those are some good looking shoes, hon. I like them. It is cold outside. Really cold outside. So I got a shop light here for Steven for his electrical room at the cabin. Some windshield wipers for my Auntie Joan, and the rest of it is just, that's non-alcoholic stuff right there, but pastries and hot chocolate and candy and yeah, a bunch of stuff in there. So coffee, whatever, mostly food stuff. And that's my Christmas shopping this year. It's pretty light because I didn't have a lot of money to spend, and it is what it is. So anyway, that's it. Sent some money out for my daughter as well, so she's getting hooked up with a few things for this Christmas too. Santa will be visiting her. Anyway, I'm gonna go into their place and wrap all this in there. They got a whole wrapping station downstairs. I'm gonna go use that because that's way better than doing it in here. I did all my wrapping in here last year, and it was, yeah, it took a while, and I was like climbing over everything, trying to do it in this space, and it was a pain in the butt. Anyway, that's it. I'm not gonna take you guys with me. I'm just gonna go do it.